Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into device settings, scroll down a bit and tap on sound and vibration. Then scroll down and click on the switcher next to vibrate vocals to enable or disable vibrations while incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Lastly, click on vibrate on tap, and over here you can choose intensity of your touch vibrations by selecting one of those options or turn them off completely by tapping on off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!